This recipe for slow cooker barbecue chicken from All Recipes member SHELDAWG is awesome, writes member Marla Kay, adding, "It's perfect for days when you're going to be out most of the day. Just throw everything in the slow cooker and forget about it for hours." First, place 4 large, skinless, boneless chicken breast halves in the bottom of a slow cooker. Next, into a small bowl with 1 cup of ketchup, add 2 tablespoons of mustard, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 cup of maple syrup. It's best to use pure maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 2 dashes of hot pepper sauce, or to taste. Stir the ingredients together until well blended, and pour the sauce over the chicken. Cover the slow cooker and set to low for 6 hours. Now, shred the chicken with 2 forks. Return the chicken to the slow cooker. For best results, make another batch of the barbecue sauce and pour it over the shredded chicken and stir. Cook it for 30 more minutes. Serve the slow cooker barbecue chicken inside split sandwich rolls. For something different, member Rosemary writes, "I rolled up the shredded chicken in warm flour tortillas. The kids love it."